Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown for this client's hair because it's pretty straightforward. It's a braid lock extension install. She came all the way from Alaska. Like, wow, I am honored. It's amazing. Sometimes my clients will come, their hair's a bit short, so they don't necessarily do a full blowout and well, not a full blowout, but like stretch their hair a lot or put braids into them. So I'll do a quick run through with my blow dryer. As you can see, her hair is really dense, so I just use my blow dryer to stretch it out, not necessarily get it super straight, but just stretched out so it makes it easier for me to work through. I did that, and then we went through and did the install. Nothing in particular about this client. She has nice dense hair. She does plan on coming back to me for her reties, so we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you guys updated, and if you have any questions, just let me know below. And if you don't, enjoy the video, vibe out with your girl. All right now.
I know you like the way I pop out. Let's go hit Lennox. Another week, another knockout. A different city. My partner whip a 7-4 now. He think he Wimby, but I'ma ride this Chevy Mally until it's empty. And Pastor don't take dirty money. I like it filthy. She my Achilles. I'm out for millies, not just for memories. Been on a mission, did I mention it before? I can't be slipping till I'm reaping what I sowed. Can you meet me where I'm at before I hit the top? How many years I put in this just trying to make it pop? I had a purpose for they had opinions, but what hurts is when they close and know the most will speak on you the worst. I reminisce like every day cause I miss what it was. Try not to get caught in my memory and stuck in the mud. I used to drown it out with liquor, I kept me a buzz. Binging and faded to that same song, missing love. New motivation, now my eyes, they been back on the prize. Can't go back where I was in my mind cause it don't bring no shine. I pop out